Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to do a little walk around on a 2003 Cobra. This is the Terminator with a supercharger under the hood. Pretty sweet car. We just stopped in the middle of a test drive to walk around the outside, point out all the flaws that I could find so you know everything about this car before you get here. Check out maplemotors.com for financing, shipping options, and detailed pictures. You can also see all of our inventory. I went ahead and popped the trunk and the hood. That way there's no fumbling of the camera. We're gonna get started here in the front. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I post videos every day. Coming around the front, this car has a lot of little chips and stuff on it. You can see them pretty much all over the car. Very noisy area over here. Sorry about all that. Looks like our antenna's missing too. We'll be shutting the hood down here in a moment. Tires are in great shape. The nice wheels. Some of the clears coming off on the mirror. It's got tint on all the windows. It's in pretty good shape. Got a spot in the middle of the door there. Lots of little chips. One back here as well. Back bumper's faded. Must just sat out in the sun. This car's only got 83,000 miles on it. It's got the boot that goes over the top. I had one exactly like this on my Mustang. I had the same year Mustang at one point. Was not a Terminator though. I wish it was. The wings all faded. See the trunk lid's a little bit faded too. It's got some oxidation on it. It's coming around the side. Nice looking tires. Lots of little chips on the door. You can see they're kind of scattered. Nothing major, just paint flaws mainly on this car. Clear coat's coming up certain spots. All right, let's go ahead and check the interior out on this. Coming up on the door panel, it's in good shape. Get my shadow out of it. The jam looks pretty good. Carpet's in good shape, nice and clean. Interior's not ripped up. It is a little bit worn here on the side. People getting in and out of the car. We will be dropping the top in this video. Back seat's in good shape as well. The top looks great on the inside here. Let's go ahead and take a seat. This is a 6-speed car. Brake work, starts up easy. Got a Pioneer radio. We've got cold AC. You see, all the gauges are working from your oil pressure to your heat. You got a boost gauge sitting over here. That one just kind of tags a little bit. We're showing 83,000 miles. The horn, it does work on this one. Wipers, they work. Everything works as it should. We're gonna go ahead and take the top down. Very stiff, which is good, I guess. Keep the water out. I think I'm supposed to pull down on this middle part. There we go. I got it anyways. All right. We'll take the top down. Comes down nice and fast. Top is down. Go ahead and roll all the windows down. Good deal. Let's check it out. Got a great look to it. We're gonna lay that hood down real quick. Well, let's put shit on the handle real quick. I think our handle got stuck out. Try it again. There it is. It does have a big old chip right here in the front. A couple more chips on the hood. All right, I'm gonna give y'all some undercarriage shots. Start up here in the front, go all the way around the car, and then we're gonna take back off on the test drive. So definitely check out the 100 detailed pictures at maplemotors.com. Let's look under this one. Okay guys, I do appreciate y'all watching. maplemotors.com has financing, shipping information, 100 detailed pictures of every car and all of our inventory. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. I post videos every day. I do appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again, guys. See the test drive video linked up the last 30 seconds of this one? Should be popping up now.